Hey all, this IXL is a little bit different. It's brand new this year, which is why it doesn't have a number with it yet. So I wanted to do a quick video going over how to do this. So let's look at a couple of examples together. So this is population and sample, so we need to figure out what the population is and we need to figure out what the sample is. So the cook at Hamilton Middle School wants to know if the students would prefer thin crust or thick crust pizza as a menu choice. Since it would be difficult to survey all 900 students, the cook surveys students in one homeroom. Of the 27 students surveyed, 16 prefer thick crust. What are the population and the sample of the survey? Well, the population is the entire group of students. So they want to know Hamilton Middle School. So it would be the entire group of students would be all the students of the school would be the entire population because the cafeteria serves the entire population. But they took a sample and they took a sample of students in one homeroom. And so it would be the 27 students that they surveyed. Now, the 16 would be the ones that prefer thick crust pizza, but they surveyed, the sample was the 27 students. So when you're doing your project, you pick your population, you pick who you want. Maybe you want to do all elementary school students, and you will maybe survey a few from 5th grade, a few from 4th grade, 3rd, whatever. So those would be the ones that you surveyed would be your sample. All right, so let's go to another question. The mayor of Derby City wants to know if he would be reelected. If he ran for mayor again, it would take a long time to get the opinions of all the town's residents, so he has each of his advisors randomly ask 25 residents. So again, all the town's residents, that would be the population. So the residents of Derby City would be all of them. Because he wants to get the opinions of all the town's residents. So that would be the residents. And then, so he randomly asks 25 residents. And so the sample would be the residents who were surveyed by the mayor's advisors would be the 25 residents that they surveyed. Okay, let's go up to there's not a higher level. Okay, let's do 2 more. Adriana is an engineer at a paper mill that produces 100 rolls of paper for each day. The rolls need to be checked for wrinkles, but it would take too long to check each roll. So the population would be all the rolls. The rolls of paper at the mill, yes. It would be the ones that were produced at the mill, because the ones with wrinkles and the ones without wrinkles, that wouldn't be the entire population, and the 20 rolls would be the sample. And the 20 rolls that she checks each day, that would be the sample. So population is big, sample is smaller. Let's do this last one. So we're looking for population. It would take a long time to survey all the shop's customers. So all the shop's customers, there we go, would be the population. So the sample is they randomly survey 50 of those customers. That would be the sample. Okay, I hope this video is helpful to you. Let's hang on a second. Let's do this next question because it looks different. Oh, it's just asking for this. It's just asking for the sample. Okay, so they randomly select 100 and survey them. So that would be the sample. All right. Again, I hope this video is helpful for you and you have a great rest of your day. Bye.